How to upload files and folders on Google Drive on Android smartphone through app and website of Google Drive. This audio video post uploaded for learning and informational purpose and read description also. First, how to upload files and folders through Google Drive on Android smartphone. Install or update Google Drive app from Google Play Store app, then install or update it. Then log in using your Gmail ID details, but don't share those details with anyone. For create folder on Google Drive through app, select plus icon in almost bottom right portion. Then select folder option. Then give a folder name and select create option. Also you can cancel it by selecting cancel option. For upload files on Google Drive account through app, again select plus icon in almost bottom right portion. Then select upload option under create new. Select any file from your Android smartphone storage and or SD card, memory card if available, and also check menu, select 3-line icon in top left corner, and from menu select recent images, videos, audio, documents, download, your smartphone storage and other options. Now, how to upload files and folders through Google Drive website on computer laptops. This audio video post uploaded for learning and informational purpose and read description also. First of all, log in to https://drive.google.com. Then check the website properly and typing. Then enter your Gmail ID, login details and password. But don't share login details and password and other information with anyone through any mode. After successful login on Google Drive website, then select My Drive option almost top middle portion under search option, or select new option in almost top left corner of Google Drive website. Then select upload file option and select that file from your computer, laptop, PC. And if you want to upload folder including files, then select upload folder option. Then select where it is saved in your computer, laptop, PC, so that folder including files will uploaded. Select open or upload. Another way to upload files or folders on your Google Drive account, select that file or folder by right click or left click and hold it, then drag and drop into Google Drive website. Using this drag and drop feature on your computer, laptop, PC, you can upload file or folder to Google Drive website. For create new folder, select new folder option, then give a folder name and select create if you want to create it, and select cancel if you want to cancel it. So a new folder will be created on your info. Abhi's digital podcasts now available on Google Podcast and other podcast platforms. Please check out and also share your comments and feedbacks. Also, you can access Google Drive website from your Android smartphone web browser. Open any web browser which is installed on your smartphone, Android based. Then log on to https://drive.google.com. Make sure you don't do any typing mistake and check the website properly. Then select three-dot icon in top right corner. Scroll down and select desktop site or select settings option. Then it will be open in desktop site mode. It might look different, it depends on app version and user interface UI. Take care during summer and follow health related guidelines to stay safe and healthy. Thanks for watching or listening or reading. Log on to our videos digital.blogspot.com.